Hey! In this short tutorial I'll show you how to create a real estate directory website like Zillow or Trulia for free. I'm gonna use WordPress, the most popular website building platform, and Hive, a free plugin for building any type of directory and listing websites. We'll also use the Listing Hive theme, since it's a free, multi-purpose theme that has all the required features for building a real estate directory and it's fully compatible with the Hive plugin. You can follow the link in the description to learn more about Hive and its themes, check its live demo, or ask developers any pre-purchase questions. Okay, so let's start with the theme installation and navigate to the WordPress dashboard first. Since Listing Hive is a free theme, you can install it directly from the WordPress dashboard by going to the Appearance Themes page and then clicking Add New. Now you need to find it via the search bar and proceed by installing it. Finally, click on the Activate button. Once activated, it will display a suggestion to install the Hive plugin. Proceed by clicking the recommended plugins link and then start the installation. Now, simply click the return link and then proceed by activating Hive. That's it! Now you have everything necessary to start building a real estate directory website. We strongly recommend importing the Listing Hive demo content to start with existing layouts and get a better understanding of how everything works. To do this, navigate to the Plugins Add New page to install the Demo Import plugin. Type one-click Demo Import in the search field to find the plugin. Then install it and proceed by activating it. Now, go to the Appearance Import Demo Data page and select the demo content files. Check the description below to download the demo files directly from the Hive website. Next, simply click on the Import button. After the import is successfully finished, you should get the same content and layout as on the Listing Hive demo. Let's take a look. As you can see, with the Listing Hive demo content, you get some pre-made pages and layouts that you can start customizing right away. But there is only the core functionality at the moment. So let's add some extra features to your real estate directory before moving on. Go to the WordPress dashboard, Hive Extensions section. This is the list of available extensions that you can purchase or install for free. For example, let's install the geolocation extension in order to allow users to search properties by location. Simply click on the Install button and activate the extension once it's installed. However, if you want to enable Google Maps on your website, you need to set your Google Maps API key. To do this, go to the Hive Settings section, Integrations, and paste the API key. Finally, save changes. If you have any trouble getting the Google Maps API key, please follow the link in the description to check our step-by-step tutorial. Okay, now let's try adding a new category. We already imported some categories with the demo content, but let's add one more custom category to get a better sense of how it works. Navigate to the Listings Categories section. For example, let's name the category Villas. Here you can set the parent category for it, and here fill in the description if necessary. Also, you can upload the category image. When finished, click on the Add Category button. In the same way, you can add as many categories as you want. Now, let's add some custom fields specific to real estate listings. To do this, go to the Listings Attributes section and click Add New. For example, let's add the property type attribute so users will be able to narrow down the search by indicating whether they are looking for a property that is only for sale or for rent. Here, you can set the attribute name, allow its front-end editing, and select the attribute field type. We'll select the radio buttons type for this one. Mark it as filterable, select the search field type, and finally define how the attribute appears on the listing pages. Once you are done, click on the Publish button. Now, you need to make this field required and update the attribute. Your next step is to add custom options. Click on the Edit Options button and add For Sale and For Rent options. That's it! In the same way, you can add more custom attributes depending on your real estate directory niche and requirements. Now, let's add a new listing. For example, let's add the first listing to the villas category and name it Royal House. However, let's do it from the front end to better understand how it works for users. To do this, go to your website, click on the Add Listing button, and select a category. Upload the listing image, fill in the listing title, in our case it's Royal House, indicate the location, set the price, and fill in other fields. Once you are done, submit it. And here we got our new real estate listing. Now let's take a look at the home page with new categories and listings there. Here are a new category, recent listings, and the optional location search that we enabled by installing the geolocation extension. Let's also view the listing category and try searching for a listing we added. As you can see, the listing is displayed with the type attribute, and customers can filter the results if they are interested in properties that are for sale or for rent only. That's how it works. So, if you decided to build a real estate directory website using WordPress, keep in mind that you can easily create it with the Listing Hive theme and the HivePress plugin. They are both free, lightweight, and suitable for building any type of directory and listing websites. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, or you can follow the link in the description to learn more about HivePress, its themes and extensions. Have a great day!